The Dan Wesson M1911 pistol is a series of Model 1911 semi-automatic pistols. Dan Wesson M1911 pistols are made at the Dan Wesson Firearms Manufacturing Facility in Norwich, New York. They are marketed and distributed by CZ USA. Dan Wesson M1911 models. Collector's models. Dan Wesson Model DWPT, Patriot. Dan Wesson Model DWRZ10, Razorback. Dan Wesson Model DWPM3P, Pointman Minor. Dan Wesson Model DWPM1S, Pointman Major. Dan Wesson Model DWPM1B, Pointman Major. Dan Wesson Model DWPM7, Pointman 7. Dan Wesson Model DWPM-AS Pointman Aussie. Dan Wesson Model DWPM-AB Pointman Aussie. Dan Wesson Model DWK-03B Panther. Dan Wesson Model DWK-03S Panther. Current models. Dan Wesson Model DWRZ10, Razorback. Dan Wesson Model DW Commander CLS Bobtail, discontinued in 2010 except for California market. Dan Wesson Model DW Pointman 7, discontinued in 2010 except for California market. Dan Wesson Model DW Valor. Dan Wesson Model DW V-Bob, Valor Bobtail. Dan Wesson Model DWSS Custom. Dan Wesson Model DWRZ45, Heritage. Model designations. According to Dave Severns on 1911forum.com, these are the common Dan Wesson model designations. Prefixes. PT equals Patriot. RZ equals Razorback. PM equals Pointman. K03 equals Panther. Intermediate. E equals Expert equals Adjustable Sight. M equals Marksman equals Fixed Sight. DP equals Dave Pruitt. G equals Guardian. GD equals Guardian Duce, two-tone. EXP equals Experimental. HC equals High Capacity. 1 equals Major. 2 equals Minor 2. 3 equals Minor. 7 equals Model 7. 9 equals 9 mm. A equals Aussie. C equals Commander. CBOB equals Commander Bobtail. CCO equals Concealed Carry Officer. XS equals Model XS, similar to Panther, often referred to as XSS as it was a stainless gun. Suffix. S equals Stainless. B equals Blue. C equals Checkered Front Strap. FS equals Fixed Sights. S equals Adjustable Sights. 10 equals 10 mm. 45 equals .45 ACP. Type semi-automatic pistol. Place of origin United States. Production history. Manufacturer Dan Wesson Firearms. Produced 2005. Specifications. Weight 2.4 pounds. Length 8.8 inches. Barrel length 5 inches. Height 5.5 inches. Cartridge .45 ACP, 10 mm auto 9 mm parabellum. Action essay. Rate of fire semi-automatic. Feed system detachable box magazine. Sights fixed iron sights.
Please subscribe and thanks for watching.